Hi everyone, today we are going to start our tutorial on comments in Python. So as you can see, I'm using VS Code and it is one of my favorite IDEs. You can use it too and it's a good one. So let's start with creating a new file. Let's say I'm creating a file with name comments in Python. So as you can see, this is my Python file. Just ignore it for now. Okay, so this is my Python file. Now for testing, let me print something. Let's say I am printing hello. So I save it, and to run this program I have to start a PowerShell. Though I can start PowerShell by going into menu and then after select PowerShell there, but let's say I want to start PowerShell in VS Code. So how can I do that? For that I have to press control and tilde, control plus tilde sign. So that is how you can start your PowerShell, or you can say terminal, in this VS Code. So as you can see, this is my current path, and now let's say I want to run this file. To run this file I have to write Python, and just now I have to give the name of the file. So I want to run file comments underscore in underscore Python, and I have to mention Python extension as well. So this is my complete command to run any Python file. You just have to mention file name with its py extension. So let's say I press enter. So as you can see, this is working quite well. So as you can see, my code is working. Now let's go to our today's topic, comments. So what are comments? Basically, comments are the statements that Python, or you can say you can choose any programming language. These lines that are comments are totally ignored by Python or any other programming language. So why do we use it? So let's say if you are writing a code of a line or a 2-line, or you can say 3-line, and let's say you can writing a code of let's say 10-line. So writing a code of 10-line will not be a difficult task, but if you are working on your project, or you can say on your office project, then there you can see there are lots of lines of code, even thousands of lines of code. Then to understand these much of lines and what they are doing and why are they doing, so to understand their work, to understand their behavior and functioning, we have to just write a short note about it. So these short note is known as comment in programming language. Okay, so now it totally depends on a developer how long a comment he want to give. Let's say he want to give a comment of 4 line or 5 line, or let's say even a paragraph. So it totally depends on him or her. So this is why we use comment. So let's say now come to the topic how we can use comments in Python. So to use comment in Python, let's say first I want to print again a message. Hello. Okay, so let's say run it again. So as you can see, these 2 lines are because of these 2 lines Python threw us an error, and the error is syntax error, invalid syntax. So let's say I want Python to ignore these 2 lines. So how can I write it? How can I tell Python that you just ignore these 2 lines? So to ignore these 2 lines, I have to use the concept of comment in Python. And in Python we give comment using hash, or you can say a pound symbol at the starting of the line. So now let's run it again. Okay, so as you can see, this line is totally ignored by Python. In the same way, I have to put a comment sign here. Okay, so it will be ignored by Python. So now this code will work. Let's run it again. So as you can see, now there is no error. We are getting our output, which is hello. Okay, so this is how we use comments in Python. So let's say if I want to give a comment of 2 or 3 lines, then what should I do? Should I use comment like this? Should I use like this? Well, I can use like this, but it is kind of irritating if I want to give a comment of, let's say, 10 line, or you can say 20 lines. Then I have to put this hash sign at the starting of every line. So that is a kind of a little hard work. To overcome this challenge, to overcome this problem, Python gave us a new type of comment, which is multi-line comment, and it is very different from other programming language multi-line comment. In Python, if you want to give a multi-line comment, then what you have to do is use triple single quote and close it. And now if you write anything in these 3 single quotes, now these 3 lines will be totally ignored by the Python. So to verify this, let's run our program, which is now, as you can see, these 3 lines are totally ignored, and what I get is the print output, which is hello. So this is how we can use comments and single line comment and multi-line commands in Python. So that's it. Thanks for listening, and if you like our video, like this video, subscribe this channel, and please comment us and let us know. And thanks, and join our channel to get more videos like this. And thank you. Bye.